Hey everyone. Today I'm gonna dive into the that girl trend. You've probably seen it all over social media, but let's clear something up right away. It's all about personal growth, not perfection. It's about crafting a routine that brings out the best version of. Ready to become girl? Let's jump right in. First things first, mornings are crucial. Start your day early. I usually wake up around 5:50 a.m. after a good 7.5 hours of sleep. Trust me, getting enough rest is non-negotiable. As soon as I'm up, I head over to my bathroom for some skincare, then make my bed. These small wins set a positive tone for the day. Next, I like to kickstart my metabolism with some lemon water. It's refreshing and gets your system going. If you're into journaling, this is a perfect time to jot down a few things you're grateful for. It's a simple act that can shift your mindset. Alright, now it's green juice time. Or, if you prefer, a smoothie works just as well. Packed with nutrients, it's a great way to fuel your body. After that, I squeeze in a quick workout, something like Pilates or yoga. It's all about getting the blood flowing and those endorphins kicking in. Breakfast is a must. I usually go for something healthy like oats with fruit and nuts. Then, it's journaling or planning time. I set my goals, check in with my mental state, and jot down my to-do list. This keeps me focused and intentional about how I spend my day. Moving on to midday activities. I love doing healthy grocery shopping, focusing on fresh produce and lean proteins. It's essential to nourish your body with quality food. Then, it's on to client work or admin tasks. Keeping productive and chipping away at those big goals. Don't forget to take a lunch break. I like to pair mine with some reading. It's a fantastic way to relax and learn something new. Self-improvement is a continuous journey after all. As we roll into the afternoon, it's more work or tasks as needed. But don't push yourself too hard. Balance is key. By evening, it's time for a wind-down routine. That includes hygiene rituals that help signal to your body that it's time to rest and recharge. Remember, the essence of being that girl is finding what works for. It's about creating a routine that nurtures your body, mind, and soul. So, give some of these tips a try and see how they fit into your life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more self-improvement tips. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.